listen, listen. Yeah. Blood burgundy soul, heart cold, surgery flow that operate like an emergency. Harder, yeah. I know that you know I can rip it. I'm hoping you listen. Listen, I know my position, I'm young. Though perfection is distant, I run to it. It feels like it comes closer but misses. I've been exposed to the most vicious. Meaning I know the difference between those that are dope or those that are Pulp Fiction. My words are weapons, they serve and protect. Behind verbs and a lesson to teach. For the nerve of you testing, I'll reach you from like 30 directions. Heat you like the early detections. Like he questioned a reaper to strike. Your number then came and crumbled your fame into a ball or umbrella dissolved in the flames. You under my rain, you feeling my shower. Lyrics, my power, your time is now. This is your hour to listen, it's winding down. Your mission to make your way if you're smart. He play his part, you can never take away his heart. Listen, listen, I know that you know I can rip it. I'm hoping you listen. Blood burgundy soul, heart cold, surgery flow that operate like an emergency. Yeah, yeah, harder. I know that you know I can rip it. I'm hoping you listen. My spit, it's like the fix or a rent cycle that gets under the dirt, that gets under the skirt of your bitch, under your nose. So get onto your toes. This is the reason you ballers is leaving me all in control. My brother, you should play the back if you loud. I make you fade to black if you wild. So you should stay in back of me proud. I never take for granted my style. Cause him who handed it down to me slim, who demanded take advantages now. I'm breezing away from competitive ways. Every day I'm leaving a race. I'm leading every step of the way that I'm breathing. And the reason that the hunger's increasing. I'm under my peak speed and I'm underneath the numbers I seek. I speak if you've never showed me respect. No longer looking up to rappers. In fact, I'm after the ones that I met. Listen, I know that you know I can rip it. I hope that you listen. Blood burgundy soul, heart cold, surgery flow that operate like an emergency. Harder, yeah. I know that you know I can rip it. I hope that you listen.
I'm a spitfire climbing up these stairways straight to heaven. 11 is the only number I'm repping. If you know nothing about it, then quit stressing with questions. From shady to guessing, no matter what label I'm stepping, I'm the craziest weapon to step in the game with a message to a fucked up world I don't like to live in. But this mic was given to me to recite to the living and see how many might just listen to me, so we can fight these devils that's inside of a siege. So I'm riding in the streets while I'm rhyming to the beats. No sign of defeat, don't try to believe you can break my focus. I hate you bogus little fake performers doing nothing but create commotion. Somebody's gonna die, and it's not me. I don't care if you even wanna try, and I'ma stay alive to the point where I feel like I could just take off and fly. I am here to stay, can't send me today. I will guide the way to anyone who wants to be saved. Yeah man, I can see them hating. No God, I won't be mistaken. Can't you see all these people are craving for some serious changes? When you see Nicks, just save it, it's needless to say. Cause he is the greatest, even it's hate to see him a sacred belief in. But better know he's working till the moon comes back down. Sunlight is back out, with a new track out. Fans will come back round, people just act wild. He took out a black cloud, ain't raining on that house, and that'll be my house, bitch. Somebody's gonna die, and it's not me. I don't care if you even wanna try, and I'ma stay alive to the point where I feel like I could just take off and fly. I am here to stay, God send me today. I will guide the way to anyone who wants to be saved. God, can't you see why I hate to smile when a goddamn priest just raped a child? I'm on my knees as I face the clouds. I'm gonna start to scream, we can't wait for help. It's like one more marriage, 10 other divorces, one more carriage, 10 other abortions. We really can't see how fucked up the storm is. The media feeds us way too much distortion. You know what, fuck it, I'm going to hell to find Satan himself, and I'ma show him as well. Motherfucking ass whooping till his head is cracked open. Gonna smash his bad omen, cause he got my